Hi everybody, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this autumn greetings block. I love this project because you have so many different sides where you can add sweet little fall sayings, pictures, just all sorts of really fun elements to make up this block. Follow along and I will show you step by step how you can make this project. The first thing you are going to do is paint your wood block. You are going to use gray paint. Make sure that you paint all sides of the wood block. Let the first coat of paint dry, and then you're going to want to go back and add a second coat of paint to all sides of the wood block. And then you will set aside the wood block to dry. Next, you will grab your paper cutter and you are going to take 2 photos and cut them into 3 by 3 squares. Next, you are going to grab your autumn greetings paper and we're going to cut out some of the elements from that. You're going to cut out the Let's Get Cozy rectangle with the sweater on it and the I Love Autumn heart. Next, you are going to cut out 5 squares of paper and they're all going to be 3 inches by 3 inches. You will cut 3 squares from the plaid paper, however one of them you will have the orange side up, and then 2 squares from the red leaf paper. Next, you will grab a tape runner and add tape to the back of all of the paper squares that you just cut out, and then you will attach them to all sides of the wood block. Next, you will take the tape runner, add it to the back of the Let's Get Cozy sheet of paper, and then add it to the plaid side of the block. You will then take one of your photos and add it to another side of the block with the red paper. You will then take the We Are Blessed sticker and add it to the bottom of the photo. Add the I Love Autumn sheet of paper to one of the sides with the plaid paper. Add the blue leaf sticker to the bottom right corner of the I Love Autumn saying. You will then adhere one of your photos to the side that has the orange paper on it. Add the flower stickers on the left side of the photo, and then add the small fun fall day sticker to the bottom of the photo in the left corner. And now your block is ready to be displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.